Hello everyone, myself Avichal Mohit, and in this video we are going to talk about Google Docs. So first of all you have to open your web browser. Here you have to open Docs. After you search Docs, you have to click on the first option which is appeared on screen. After clicking on Google Docs, you can see that Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides and Google Forms are appearing here. We have already discussed about Google Sheets and Google Slides. Now we are going to discuss about Google Docs. Click on Go to Google Docs. Here you can see that there are a lot of templates available over here just like Google Sheet and Google Slides, but we are going to select blank template. Okay, so now you can see that in this menu the tools similar to Google Sheets and Google Slides are available here. Okay, so I don't think that I need to explain all these tools over again. So now I am going to tell something new. Just click on tools, click on voice typing. I am going to use voice typing feature here because it saves a lot of time. Okay, click on click to speech. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a document file and include the different links of your various Google Sheets and Google Slides files. Full stop. You have to submit the assignment created in Google Docs. So now I am going to tell you how to create your daily assignment in Google Docs. Full stop. Just again after clicking here, the voice typing is disabled. Okay, so as you all know, daily assignment is a part of our faculty development program. You have to create your daily assignment in Google Docs and then upload it onto the assignment submission link. Okay, so now open a new tab, then open Google Drive. Search for Drive, click on the Drive button. Here you can see that my Google Drive is opened. Then you have to search for your Google Slides file you already saved in your Google Drive. So here is the Google Slide file created by me in Google Slides. I just have to right click on this, click on Get Shareable Link. Always keep it in mind that the privacy must be set to anyone with the link. Then copy the link, click on Done. Then again go to Google Docs. Again use voice typing. My Google Slide presentation, full stop. Then paste the link you have just copied. So here is the link of your Google Slide presentation. Again go to my Drive and search for the Google Sheet file you just created in Google Sheets. So here is my Google Sheet file. You just have to right click on your Google Sheet file, click on Get Shareable Link, check the privacy, copy the link and click on Done. Again go to Google Documents. Again I am going to use Google Voice Typing. My Google Sheet presentation, full stop. Again paste the link. So this is the link to your Google Sheet presentation. So the Google Sheet presentation and Google Slide presentation we prepared and saved onto our Google Drive can be accessed from here. Then you have to enter your name, as I am entering mine, Avichal Mohit. Suppose my registration number is 0102. So after writing your name, you have to enter your registration number. Now click on File, go to download and click on PDF document. Here you can see that this Google Docs is downloaded as PDF document. I'm going to open this for you. So this PDF document include the link of your Google slide presentation and Google Sheet presentation. Okay, so you just have to upload this downloaded PDF on the assignment submission link, which is already given on our website. So that's all on Google Docs from my side. Thank you.